The benefits of garden and landscape design. Hello and welcome. I'm Michael, founder of MP Landscape and Garden Design, and today I want to talk about the benefits of using professional garden and landscape design. More than just creating a nice-looking space, design is about transforming your garden into a place that reflects your lifestyle, adds value to your property, and connects you with nature. Why garden design matters. A garden is often seen as just the outdoors, but with thoughtful design, it becomes an extension of your home. It can be a sanctuary, a social hub, or even a creative canvas. Professional design ensures that every element, plants, paving, seating, lighting, works together to create harmony. Core principles of garden and landscape design. 1. Unity and flow. A well-designed garden feels seamless. Paths guide you naturally, planting beds connect spaces, and features are positioned to create a sense of journey. Unity ties everything together, while flow ensures the garden is easy to move through. 2. Balance and proportion. Balance doesn't always mean symmetry, it means harmony. Large features are offset by open spaces, and bold structures are softened with planting. Proportion ensures that features fit the scale of the garden. 3. Focal points. Every garden needs a centerpiece. It could be a water feature, a sculpture, or even a bespoke outdoor kitchen. Focal points anchor the design and give visitors something memorable to experience. 4. Texture and contrast. Design isn't just about color, it's about how materials and plants feel. Smooth stone against rough bark, glossy leaves beside soft grasses, these contrasts add depth and interest. 5. Seasonal interest. A garden should change with the seasons. Spring blossoms, summer color, autumn foliage, and winter structure all play a role. Planting schemes should ensure there's always something to enjoy. 6. Functionality and lifestyle fit. Design must serve the people who use the space. Do you entertain? Cook outdoors? Need safe play areas for children? My Food and Fire outdoor living projects integrate barbecue, pizza ovens, and prep areas, tailored to clients who love outdoor cooking and entertaining. The benefits of professional design. Adds property value. A well-designed garden can increase the appeal and market value of your home. Saves time and money. Planning prevents costly mistakes and ensures every element works together. Creates joy and pride. A garden becomes a place you want to spend time in, not just look at. Tailored to you. Every design reflects your lifestyle, whether that's entertaining, relaxing, or gardening. At MP Landscape and Garden Design, I bring these principles into every project. Working independently, I design and oversee gardens across Pontefract, Wakefield, and throughout Yorkshire, tailoring each space to reflect the client's lifestyle and personality. From intimate private gardens to larger projects, I provide full design and project monitoring if required, outdoor kitchens and entertaining spaces, contemporary-inspired layouts and modern solutions, traditional garden layouts. And I'm proud to say that every garden I've designed has achieved 100% client satisfaction. Closing thoughts. Design principles aren't abstract, they're practical tools that make gardens work. They ensure beauty, functionality, and longevity, turning outdoor spaces into places of joy and pride. If you'd like to explore how these principles can transform your garden, visit me at www.mpgardendesigns.info. Thanks for listening, and I look forward to helping you create the garden you've always dreamed of.